Hi, and today I'm going to be unboxing a new treat for myself, the Next Discovery Beauty Box, which was £20 from Next. Let's have a look what's inside. So some beauty treats are inside. Okay, look at all these goodies. Okay, let's have a look. I see a Just Pink moisturising lip balm with vitamin E. Should be £3. That looks nice. A Just Pink body wash. Just Pink eau de parfum, 10 mils. And Next coconut flavoured lip balm. A Just Pink body mist. Should be £2. What have we got here? We've got a nail polish, nice sparkly nail polish. That should be £4. This one is Disco Days. And another nail polish I see here. Gel nail polish in Sahara Desert. Then we have, what's this here? A lip scrub. And a highlighter. A mini lipstick. Oh, sorry. There's no name on that. What have we got here? A makeup brush. Maybe an eyeshadow brush. That looks good. And what is it? A lip gloss. Let's turn this around the right way. A lip gloss. No name on that one. That's a nice colour. Like that colour. And then some perfume samples. I've got a Nude eau de parfum and a cashmere sample. All those goodies for £20. The box. Thank you for looking at my beauty box from Next.